Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have GRT coin daily update. It had a nice breakout. We are going to see why did it break out and the next targets. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Let's go right now to see why did GRT against USDT have had a nice uptrend of around 21% in just one day. Basically, it was the bullish pennant formation. After drawing the lower highs and the higher lows, after an uptrend, you can see that GRT went into a squeeze point and the next day it broke above, became bullish, and right now GRT is in a very good spot to go even higher over the next few days or over the next few weeks. We are going to see, of course, that it comes after an uptrend. Some people could call it also an ascending triangle, although it looks more like a bullish pennant to me. But if you find someone talking about an ascending rate here, he wouldn't be so wrong. Anyway, for me, the best thing is that it made a little bit of a lower high, higher low pattern coming after an uptrend. This is a classic bullish pennant pattern. And eventually it broke out. And the reason why I thought that GRT would be bearish if it formed right here on the daily frame a red candlestick was because it got rejected multiple times for 2 weeks right now over this resistance level, the 0.1322. This was a huge resistance level for GRT, but right now we got one more important, and this is more important than the previous one. It is the 0.1734. For GRT, this is a huge resistance level coming in. And if we go there, expect maybe a correction. This is with the logarithmic scale. If we move into the regular scale right here and remove the drawings, and you can see that if I remove the logarithmic scale, going back to our regular and have a Fibonacci from the top to the bottom, you will see that the resistance level we are finding out is close to the 20-day MA. And here we can grow even higher, possibly towards a point 1956, right? You can see that this could be a next target, although I would trust more, to be honest with you, the logarithmic scale. Okay, so I would go with the logarithmic scale going back down to the 0.1719. I think that around here it is going to have its first rejection, so I believe that in the next few weeks GRT is going to make something very good and it is going to go even higher. Now, is there any problem in our prediction? Maybe there is. If BTC cannot manage to close above the 24.2k in the 4-hour frame, then it is maybe going to correct even more, and perhaps it is going to drop down many altcoins. But GRT is very strong, okay? GRT is crazily strong right now. If we correct a little bit, do not worry about it right here. Okay, we could be seeing, for example, a correction going on. This would be a healthy correction. For example, we could be retesting right here the high of the previous 30 July. The previous high right here, we could retest this line and then we could go even higher. Do not panic if we correct a little bit on the 4-hour frame, because I'm seeing that GRT right now has a little bit of a huge risk, right? You can see it by yourself, the RSI above the 80. Whenever it is above the 80, we need to pay a little bit attention, just like here, for example, forming a bearish RSI and going down. You can see bearish RSI going down right here. Okay, so you need to pay close attention when we have such a huge risk right here, but GRT is looking fantastic over the next few days to achieve the 0.17, and this would be crazily good and amazing. You can see in the weekly frame we do not even have something in an overbought situation right here. Only the stochastic RSI is approaching an overbought, but it is not there yet. So I'm assuming that in the daily frame as well, we could potentially go higher. High risk right now. We are entering into a zone of a high risk though, but I think that it could be approachable right here. The only thing that we need though is for Bitcoin to close above the 24.2k. Always remember that if we do not do that, then Bitcoin could have a huge correction coming in, and maybe it will affect the whole market and GRT as well. This is our huge risk right there. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription, and of course see you soon with many more videos. Bye.